Hi guys, Zoe here, ready to make your Christmas sales full. Don't miss out. In this video, let's discover the perfect item for your customers to help your business thrive this holiday season. Firstly, I want to show you the 3 must-have classic products: sling bags, Christmas stocking, and pillowcases. We offer a variety sizes of bags including linen one, full flap one, and sequin one. Also with pillowcase, whether you are preparing gifts for loved ones or just want to add a personalized touch to your holiday decor, these bags and pillowcases offer a fun and creative way to celebrate the season. Following that, let's take a look at Christmas hats. Allow you to add your own personal touch by featuring names, designs, or holiday graphics, which is a great way to spread cheer and stand out during the holidays. Also, we provide you various ornaments to decorate the coming Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Next up, we have a pot holder, perfect for baking holiday trees or hosting family dinners. These pot holders are not only functional but also be personalized with holiday designs, names, or messages. In addition to this, consider waffle weave towels. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this towel is incredibly soft, eco-friendly, and comfortable, making it a perfect addition to spas, hotels, or retail shops. Moreover, we offer keychains. These keychains sparkle with festive charm. With endless design possibilities, you can easily create personalized keychains that capture the holiday spirit and drive sales. Let's not forget about luggage tacks. The luggage tack is bendable, waterproof, and not afraid of scratches. Used as travel luggage tags, easily identify your luggage and avoiding losing belongings in the airport. Suit for travel bag, suitcase, or school bags, sports gear, pet carriers. Lastly, check out Glossy Photo Block. The Glossy Photo Block is super clear and smooth, with high identification, picture, and high picture realism. Delicate and beautiful, which can be applied for a long time. Order our Christmas blanks on Alibaba and enjoy a 20% discount, or on UK Warehouse for a chance to win an Xbox. Both our UK Warehouse and Alibaba feature decorate categories and product listings to make your purchase easy. Let's make this Christmas a profitable one for your business. Thanks for watching and see you next time!